Wow. Wow, let's go. Just like this. So I'm with the VIP Intermediate Blue Run group. First run of the day, we're going to do a little bit of a warm-up drill called the Stork Drill. Now with this drill, we're trying to get you to think about weight on your outside ski. So what we're going to do is, as we go across the traverse, we're just going to lift up the inside ski. Now if you struggle with that, struggle with lifting and holding, then just try lifting and putting it down again. Lifting and putting it down again. So we're shifting our body weight from the center between our skis over our outside ski so that we can lift up that inside ski. Leave the tip of the ski that you're lifting up on the snow. Because if you leave the tip on the snow, it'll keep your body weight nice and forwards. And it also gives you a little bit of something else to balance on. And then just try and flex your ankle in your boot so you're squashing that grape against the tongue of your boot and then just ride across the slope in a stork position. Hence it's called the Stork Drill. Like this. Just like this. Nice and balanced. That's it, just lift it. Yeah, well done. Yeah. Yeah, if you lose your balance, just put it down and pick it back up again. Okay, just try and stand on the foot that you're standing on, more on the ball of your foot, and then that will put the ski onto a very slight edge and give you something more stable to stand on. Okay. A little bit more of a stable platform. So again, what's happening is your ski is washing out. So just think about standing on this foot, just stand ever so slightly on the ball of the foot. So the ski doesn't just wash away like that and then you fall back down again. So you're trying to find that big toe and ball of your foot that you're standing on. It's more of a stable platform. Yeah? Nice. Remember to keep the tip on the snow, but otherwise good. That's it. You found the edge. Yeah? So yes, if you ride the edge, so you struggled a bit because the ski was too flat, and then you found the edge and it was much more stable. So yeah, so think about pressure on that big toe and ball of your foot. Yeah, hey. So maybe more of a direction this way. So so the problem is you're standing on a very flat ski and it's sliding away from you. Yeah, so just engage the big toe and ball of your foot and that'll give you a more stable platform. That was good. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. So if we go across the hill, we're going to lift up the right foot, stand on the left. Yeah. Excellent. So that's a good drill to start the day off with because it gets you balanced over the outside ski and gets you thinking about pedaling from outside ski to outside ski and putting pressure down to the outside ski when you're making your turns. So now when we ski a bit faster, we're going to think about pedaling from outside ski to outside ski so that if we could lift up the inside ski, we would be able to. You know, we're not going to lift up the inside ski, but it's going to be light enough for us to be able to lift it. And we've created a platform on the outside ski. That's what that drill's about. And that's why you do it first run of the day. Cool, let's go down to Arkable and head on up. Not backwards, forwards.